Welcome back to my channel for another video. So this week we're going to look at price action. Okay, so first of all, what is price action? Price action is confirmation of which direction a price is going to go on a stock or a future. Okay, now there's not a lot of videos out there, that cover, comprehensively price action. Okay, so I thought this was a really good video to do this week, and it's a relatively long video, it's a long tutorial, and I repeat myself a number of times just to let it sink in. However, I still recommend that you watch this video at least twice, okay, at least twice, just to let it sink in. Okay, so this is a key element that I truly believe a lot of day traders, need to sharpen up their skills on. This is the difference between having a green trade and having a red trade. Your entry is absolutely crucial, okay, and it can't be just willy-nilly. It can't be just, I'll enter here. Okay, it has to be as clinical as possible. Now, listen, you're always going to have the correct entry, but your mindset at least has to be that you want to be clinical. Okay, that has to be your approach. Okay, so before we crack on, make sure that you smash that like button for more videos like this, and also subscribe to my channel again for more videos like this. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed today's video. And going forward, I'm going to do more of these videos on price action, with different examples. Okay, so enjoy today's video. Okay, and there's my entry. Okay, so entered a long position on the Dow, used £5,500 of margin, and there's our first green candle. Right, so what's happened here is I've been watching the Dow, okay, and the Dow was bearish. So you can see all of them red candles all the way down. Now the third red candle from the right with the long tail, right, that's where the Dow found support, okay? And then it started to make new highs, and then it would pull back, and it started to make new highs, and it would pull back. So that's why the long tail is there. That's where the Dow found support. Okay, so the next candle along, the next red candle, this is where the Dow started to consolidate after finding support. Okay, and it consolidated, and what it was doing was it would make new highs and it would pull back, make new highs and pull back, make new highs and pull back. Then we've got a third red candle again. So this is clarification, okay, that the reversal is going to happen. Why? Because the Dow is going sideways. It's not continuing to go bearish. It's gone sideways. It's still consolidating. But if you watch it really closely, it was still making new highs and pulling back, making new highs and pulling back. And that's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for it to either hold its ground and consolidate, okay, and maybe make a small pullback but make new highs. Right, now what I'm waiting for is the fourth candle, which is a green candle. Now once I seen that green candle appear, that's my price action confirmation. Okay, that tells me that the reversal is ready to happen. Okay, and when I seen that green candle appear, the smallest little green candle, that's where I entered my position. Okay, because I know that the Dow is now going to go bullish. All right, so as you can see now, we've got two lovely green candles. Okay, and there is a red candle there at the moment, but that'll go away. It's just a little price correction. That'll be longs liquidating positions and causing the price to drop down temporarily. So again, guys, I will go over that once more. So price action confirmation, how did I identify it? You've got all them red candles which are bearish on the Dow. Okay, the third red candle from the bottom with the long tail, that's where the Dow found support. Okay, that's where it found support. Then you've got another red candle to the side of that, and what you can see is, that's where the Dow started to consolidate. Okay, and it started to make actually new highs. So it would pull back, but it would make new highs, pull back but make new highs. And the main factor here is that it didn't continue to go bearish. It held its ground and it consolidated. So then we've got another red candle. Okay, so three red candles there at the bottom. So that third red candle tells me again that the Dow is ready to reverse. Why? Because again, it's holding its ground. It's not making new lows. It's actually holding its ground. It's consolidating. But when you're actually watching it, it started to make new highs. Okay. Now my actual confirmation of my entry was the green candle. Initially it was a very, very small green candle, but it was a green candle all the same. And that's where I entered my position.
because I know over time, because I've spent so much time in the market, that that's where I had to enter, because I'd been watching it. Okay, I'd been watching it. It was bullish on that green candle, and that's why I entered. I entered because I knew that that's where the Dow was going to reverse, and it's only through experience that it, you know, I can take that, you know, position very confidently. Okay, but that's the area that you need to be able to get to as well. But you can only get it by spending time in the market. That's how you do this, is by spending time in the market. And it will get to the stage, you know, when you do it enough times, it'll be almost like a playback, as if you're watching a playback, because history repeats itself time and time and time again. And that's the level that you will get to. But listen, you've got to spend time in the market. You know, there's no overnight success here. There's no overnight success. You need to spend time in the market, and you don't even need to trade. You know, you could literally just watch it and, you know, pretend that you've made an entry and then see which way it goes. So you don't have to commit yourself to actually trading, you know, to sharpen up your skills on price action. Okay, but this is a classic example, and look at that, you know, a couple of minutes work or whatever it is, you know, and I'm up over £100. You know, that's a day's wages for a lot of people. It's a day's wages. Okay guys, so here we go. Look at that, continuing to go bullish, and look at that, up £170. You know, for a lot of people that's 2 days wages. You know, it's not to be snuffed at in the least. You know, it's a lot of money.
Okay guys, so that is how you identify price action. Remember, it's support or resistance being reached, followed by a period of consolidation, and you're looking for at least, you know, 2 to 3 candles, you know, whether it's resistance, i.e. green, or whether it's support, i.e. red. So you're looking for that support, followed by the consolidation, a consolidational period where the stock is moving sideways. Then you're looking for the opposite candle, i.e. green or red. Okay, so the opposite to what it has been during the consolidation period. And that's when you want to enter your position. Okay, but remember guys, it could still pull back. There could be a dramatic pullback, and you could, you know, be in a negative net position. Okay, sometimes there's not much of a pullback, and sometimes there is. So you've got to allow for that. You've got to be prepared to go into a negative net position. Now, if you see it starting to run away from you, that's when you just need to take the loss. Okay, because you can get faked out. Okay, this is not it's not guaranteed, you know, that's the way that trade is going to be. You might have been faked out, and you might need to try once more. Okay, but you don't keep trying. My advice is, you know, try the entry twice, and if you're still unsuccessful, well, then you walk away for the day. You don't keep going. No, you don't keep going. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I'm definitely going to do another video on price action with some more examples. Okay, so a lot more examples. I think that I think this is something that's missing in the industry, you know, and you know, I want to help you guys, and this is the key element. As I previously said at the start of the video, this is a key element to day trading, or it's absolutely crucial. So again guys, thanks for watching, and more videos coming out again. And you know, I've done today's video because I've had some messages about price action. You know, I've had a number of people messaging me, and listen, this is fantastic. Tell me what you want. You know, tell me what kind of videos you want, and I'll do them. Okay, maybe not immediately, but this is a video that I was asked about a number of weeks ago, and I will get to them. Okay, because this is what I need to deliver to you guys. This is what I want to deliver also, is what you need. So what do you need? You know, drop me a line. So my Instagram is sambora.00, and you know, let's engage here. You know, I don't want to put stuff out that you don't need. I want to put stuff out that you need. So let's get that engagement going, and I'll continue to do this. Okay, so have a good week guys, and I'll see you again for videos very soon.